Wow, never seen for the place of the most beautiful than love ever. Here we go! This is so cool for past of the road about of the place bet. And we're back in expressway. I love for the yummy barkada for a dog of pet. And there is Philippine Arena there. This is wonderful. Marilao, Philippines is awesome forever. This is all over the place is a bet all the time in this. Marilao is the coolest of the place in South Philippines. It's fun to be amazing forever did. Never seen that his father all to get a client for good. The TMCC is fun of car. And we're back in expressway again. So, we have a lot of the most beautiful. Then let's be heading for Tagaytay City. It's raining outside in Tagaytay City, Philippines. Around the world of the best. Wow, a picture of Filipino people is so cool. It's that Darna girl. And this is the chair down to the ground of from father and mother. And this is Tucan bird for painting. It's so foggy around downhills. It's so very cool about. And I'm inside Starbucks coffee shop store too. I love hotel is so amazing for the tropical green. The Netflix for watching TV show. That was so cool. Wow, Street Fighter game arcade fun Capcom. Cool! Wow, Ferris wheel of Sky Ranch light on tonight! It's so very coolest of road, even so bit. Wow, traffic light sign. Picture for just like Mona Lisa. Wow! Papa Bola game is very fun. Let's having to sleep tomorrow. I will go back to Box Hotel from now on to being a place of my future. Amazing. Wow! I've never seen so many bread food for breakfast. Wait! I think is the name of restaurant for here. It's breakfast at Antonio's. Now, let's go back to Malolos.